In what many are viewing as a desperate attempt to downplay intensifying functional tensions, ZANU-PF spokesperson Ambassador Christopher Mutsvangwa has claimed that President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, are inseparable, despite persistent reports of internal discord. Satapenda mashoko buda panguwa inoi, Mutsvangwa atara mashoko achiti aiwa Mnangagwa naChiwenga aiwa ta inseparable. Vanhu vozviona achiti aiwa ari kuda kungozama kuda kungonyararidza chaos iri kuitika mu the ruling party ZANU-PF. Noda kuti evidence inoratidza kuti these two aiwa pane kukweshana kuripo iri kunyatsa kushoeka aiwa pachena. Ndokuti subscribe like on the bell kuti bila mnamubuda informations in a statement issued on Tuesday night. Mutsvangwa feebly painted a picture of unshakable unity between the two leaders, even as the signs of political strength continue to emerge from within the ruling party. In cause, they've been well steered through the toughest of character tests. Mutsvangwa said, "A petty or fleeting quarrel is never carried into battle as comrades wade into battle. The stakes are so high, they pale at the prospect of supreme sacrifice. Framing the relationship is wartime rhetoric." Mutsvangwa added, "Tiffs have no place in gunfire being exchanged in anger with the enemy. Your comrade is, after all, your keeper." He further claimed, I have had the opportunity to know and grow with both President Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga for over 5 decades. According to Mutsvangwa, the two leaders have stood together through national threats and continue to focus on developmental projects like road infrastructure and agriculture. But observers remain unconvinced, with reports of infighting, succession battles, and growing friction between rival camps within ZANU-PF. Mutsvangwa's insistence on harmony is only deepened speculation that all is not well. Panapa tipina pakombedza nokutanyura chiti only 2030 slogan inogona kuparadzanisa vanhu. Vanopinda vanyora achiti anoruma achifutidzira zvake. Vanopinda vachiti hapana but kumedzana ndokuchaitwa. Vanopinda vachiti anoti ndiye here uye ari mupfungwa dzavo here. Ndo mashoko anobuda achinyorwa panguva ino pamusoro aiwa the relation iripo panguva ino between the two leaders. Aiwa vari kuonekwa kunzi pane kukweshana kuripo. Pina comment section medu muzvimafuro muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe, like, watch and turn on the bell icon.